So today we're going to do speaker versus wall outlet. I turn this on, it should go pop. Yep, told you. So I have a few speakers here that we're going to blow up. I have this one, and it is a Audiovox. Audiovox, 120 watt power per pair, impedance 4 ohms compatible. Okay, so I got that one there. I got this Pioneer, and this is a 4 ohm. This is 130, whatever. This is burned or rusted there. Okay, yeah, 35 watt 4 ohm impedance. And this is a dual 6x9, 40 watts RMS, 60 watt max, made in China, 4 ohm, 4-way dynamic loud speakers. And the rig I have here is an extension cord that goes to the speaker that's up next. And then into this, I can plug it in and then turn it on so I can record. So let's do this. So right now this is off. So we'll plug this in. And we will zoom in on the speaker. And we are ready in 3, 2, 1. So that was very loud. I'll leave it on. See if it's gonna burn or anything, maybe not. But that was very loud. So I heard the tweeter go and the other speakers. So later on in the video, I will take that apart and show you guys the voice coils of that afterwards. So now we're gonna set up one of these. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. 6x9 dual goes up next. And I don't know how they're all going to do, because this one caught fire. This one didn't. And this one's an even lower RMS than this one, so it'll have less of a chance of lasting longer. So, whatever, let's get it apart. Let's do this. One second. Okay. Wires are dead. And just gotta connect it 1 sec. Oh, this one smells disgusting. Whew. Put that back here. And we're going to put this one back here as well. This is a 10-inch little Sony speaker. That one caught on fire. That one was cool to watch. So this is in the off position. I'll plug it in. And in 3, 2, 1. Still on. Ooh. Still on. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke or not, but it is smoking. And I still hear a humming sound from somewhere. I'll turn it off. Humming's gone. It's still humming. Oh man, there's a capacitor on that. That was, oh, that stinks. Like a rotten ass. Whew. Still making a noise if you can't tell. So, I guess we'll turn it off. And we'll also bring it in my room. Yeah, it's still humming. Ooh, that smells awful. So we will unplug it. Yeah, you see, look at that capacitor that blew up on the side there. And if it still works, I'll just throw in a new capacitor for it and pop it again. But for now, it is broken. I saw something fly off this. It's probably just the capacitor. Now we're going to blow the Pioneer. So let's get back to the start of our thing. Put in the off position. And see if I can get a good. Here we are. 3, 2, 1. Woo. That's pretty good. So that's it for the videos. I'm now going to put them on my laptop and put them through a video editing software to make it all one big video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos. I plan on doing more than just popping speakers, and as you can see, it's still smoking. I plan on making some snowmobile videos and a little bit of moto vlogging on my motorcycle. It's not here, and also working on small engines and electronic videos and stuff like that. So a little bit of all trades here. So thanks for watching and have a good day. I told you guys I would show you the aftermath of every single speaker. So we'll start off with the first one I did, which was the it was a 10-inch Sony speaker, and it is 8 ohms. I think it said something like, yeah, 20 watt max, and that was oh, that's 20 watt max, 10 watts RMS. The wall, this is what the outlet did to it in my garage. So, of course, I took the dust cap off and cut the surround and the spider. And this is what we're left with. So if I can grab an edge. So if you look at it from this angle, it just looks like, yeah, everything was fine. But there's the coil. So obviously not fine. And it doesn't even go back in here anymore to where it's supposed to. It makes all these grinding and gross noises. And I did have the dust cap here a second ago, but that is now gone. Oh, here it is. It was sitting on. Here's the dust cap for it. Secondly, I think we did this one here, and this one has a tweeter in there as well, and this was the Audio Vox. And I took every single one of these apart first just to save me from doing it in the video. So I took the screws off. It looks pretty mangled because I had to get this off because the bottom screw was all rusted out. So I banged this off, and here was the voice coil for it. The voice coil on this did look fine. I couldn't actually, oh, there's a little bit of burning, if you guys can see that. So that's where it probably shorted out there also. Sorry for the video quality. I was going to use an actual camera, but I couldn't find any batteries that would let the camera run. So I have to use my phone, unfortunately, but it is an iPhone 5C, so not too bad. So everything looks good there. And this is where it got me, because this was only, I think, a 40 watt max, 120 watt peak. So the voice coil, if you look at it like this, yeah, it looks fine. That was me by accident who took that off. But actually it's not. Where is it where it's charged? Right here. Right here, so I can get some better lighting. It's all burnt up and separated, and that is what stopped the speaker from working. And actually, I think of it, this wire here, which you are seeing, that came out of there. So this one looks pretty bad as well. Let's put that off to the side over here. And we'll bring in the dual 6x9. So this one looks pretty bad, actually. So as you can see, the tweeter is charred all the way around. So that's lovely. And here's the voice coil. Oh, the voice coil has unraveled inside of here. So I'm actually just pulling it off the speaker where it is blackened and charred and burnt. And I'll see if I can get it out of here in one piece or so. One sec. Still looking pretty charred as well. And I think it's actually stuck. I'm just gonna screwdriver in there. See if I can pull it out like that, guys. No, it's stuck, but it is also charred on the end that is inside of there. So there's that one. And a capacitor obviously blew up on it because there's that grossness that smells like hot ass. And then we'll bring in the Pioneer. So I did take the tweeter out of this one, and it is the exact same as the other one. This liquid is wet though, so I don't know what to think of that, but it is pretty nursed. So this is where the tweeter would go. And there's another something there, which I have no idea what that does, but just because I'll actually take that out as well. But I will try to show you guys the process. I actually broke my knife here. So you pop that out, and you cut out around, and we'll see what it is. Oh, so that's there for show. There's actually nothing in there. Wow, that's deceiving. I don't know if that's something special, but there is wires going to it. I don't know if you guys can see the wires or not, but there's wires going to it. It doesn't look like there's anything in there though. And here's the Panasonic, or the Pioneer, sorry. Ooh. Okay, so we got this one apart, and oh, this fucking reeks like ass. So I'm like, oh, where's the voice coil? Well, it is there. We'll try to get it out, but I think it is stuck in the magnet. As you can see, it is all burnt and disgusting. I'll try to get it out with these. Oh no, that's just gonna break it. Okay. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Nope, that's not gonna come out. But as you can see, it's all toasted and burnted. So let's get some better light on it. Yeah, it's all toast. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys, and This will be my first video of 2016, and actually in a while, a few months since I posted a video. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.